Hi everybody, and welcome to True Wants, where here we try to help you make that decision if it's going to change from a want to a need. If you are new to my channel, I really hope you will choose to subscribe. It's free and it's easy. It's the red button that you'll see right underneath this video. If you press it and it turns gray, you're in. It's that simple. There's also that bell beside that subscribe button that I always recommend that you press. It's called the notification bell. And what ends up happening is YouTube will notify you just once that I have uploaded a brand new video. I do upload a lot, and sometimes my videos are time sensitive, so I don't want you to miss out. So make sure to press that subscribe button, ring that bell, and you'll be in the know. Also in that same area, there is that thumbs up, and that's where you guys come in. If you enjoy the content that I make, and that I make so much of it, please take a second when you arrive to hit that thumbs up. It will turn blue, the number will increase, and that's you helping True Ones get noticed on this huge YouTube platform. So I'm thanking everyone in advance for that thumbs up. Okay guys, this is always exciting for me when my second box comes from Boxycharm. If you're not familiar on my channel, I pay for 2 bases and 2 premiums. I also, over the last couple of months, was added to the Boxycharm PR list, which is always exciting because then we get to see a box really at the beginning of the month, where we get to really see those sneak peeks and spoilers that I love to share with you in person. So it has been an absolute treat to get that. But also, by getting that box first, some of the items that I got will be some duplicates, and as you know on my channel, we put that into an area that is called gifts for later. So on this box from Boxycharm again has that exciting news that I am dying to know what it is. They started giving little hints on Instagram a couple of nights ago, and they were saying that there was some competition on Instagram between Boxycharm and Ipsy, where Ipsy would post something and Boxy would respond to it and vice versa. And it was before Ipsy owned Boxy. So that is like so fun. So I'm dying to know like how they're gonna merge it all together now that Ipsy has now, for at least it's been a couple of years at least, that they have owned it and tried to figure out how's the best way to get this to all work for us. Because we know this month in a lot of our boxes, because I pay for my boxes also, I saw some items that were past throwbacks, let's put it that way. So you and I have been feeling the same this month, so we know something's going on. So the fact that they're in the cards are all saying epic, be it in an Ipsy box or a Boxycharm box, we know that something is happening. So we'll have to see what that's about. So this is my second pay for box. These boxes run around that $30 mark, including that $1.99 handling fee, but it's still free ship in the USA. You get 5 full-size products, but you get to choose 1 in the Boxycharm base box, and that's what I did. As I shared with you when I opened up my first box, and I will try to leave that one in the description box down below, as well as the PR box, because the PR box to me blew me away. I was so excited for this month. I wanted to be able to share as much information in that video, so I will make sure to leave that link down below, and it did phenomenal for this channel. So thank you to everybody who has come on board and found me because of the Boxy PR and all of that. So this has been a really, really exciting month of growth for this channel. So starting with the first item that was in my box, and I know a lot of you were angry almost in some of the comments that you left, or at least it felt that way when I was reading it, that you were very disappointed that you were getting the Refreshments brand in our boxes because you felt that this came out as a subscription if we wanted it in our Ipsies. But I have had the opportunity, because I've been on Ipsy's PR for a very long time, but you know that I get everything Ipsy that I pay for. My glam bag, my plus, the ultimate, the X, the edits, all the sales, you know that I'm an Ipsy girl. So this was always fantastic when every single product that I got in a PR package from Ipsy about the Refreshments brand blew me away. This is literally the one from my tub. It is down to like the last drop. This is the exact same scent that is being sent to everybody here. This one is called if you're getting this could be a scent that's in your box, I should say that. This one is called the Pearly Body Wash Citrus Spritz. This has 10 fluid ounces in it. It is fantastic. I am so impressed with every single product that I have gotten from this brand. As you can see, it's almost empty. This has the top on it that you literally just press down and it pours out that way, so it's easy to use. This simply says on the back, lather glorious, shimmy and it says sing, shimmy and rinse. They're saying this you can cleanse and moisturize at once. It doesn't strip your natural oils. They're saying this is a clean promise for this brand. This has shea butter in it, vitamin C, and this also has olive oil. What I'm telling you is this brand, it doesn't matter that it's Refreshments. If this came with a different label on the top, you would be so impressed with it and happy that you got it. So I'm happy to now have a replenish because like I said, I'm on my bitter end of the one that I have on my tub. The next one was my choice item, and I share with you all the time that I try to choose one item in one of my paid boxes and one item in my other. And because this is a shade, I'm sure that's why in the PR packages, you know, all the girls that got PR, including myself, didn't get this item that was a choice item. That's why I love keeping the paid versions as well. What I chose for myself was the shade 230N. And ironically, normally I would choose one shade in one, but one in the other. But when I went on Rare Beauty's website, which I share with you when I do my spoilers, when I do the spoilers, I'm doing them for me, and I started filming them to share with you guys, and you guys are loving those spoiler videos as well. So what I ended up doing when I went to the website, which is why I love doing these spoiler videos, so that we get to go to the website before choice day so we can see what all the shades are, and then we can choose the best shade for ourselves, as opposed to being surprised on choice day and then not knowing when there's 45 shades to choose from which would be your shade. So this was one that I used in that video, and I shared with you that my feedback on it was not that positive, but it wasn't overly negative either. I have had time since then to watch a lot of other girls, some really large YouTubers, use this product, and more than it seems to be that they really, really enjoyed the product. So I wanted to try to use it a few different ways, and I knew this was coming in this box, that I have an opportunity to talk about it again. And I should have worn it today, but I had so many other things going on, and then I got some other surprise packages, so I ended up just getting my makeup on first thing this morning, and then I figured whatever box comes. But I will share with you what I ended up doing to make this a product now that I can use and enjoy. And I wore it in a couple of videos, and everyone complimented how my makeup looked that day, and it was this product. So let me share with you what I ended up doing. I took one of those paddle brushes. I should have brought it out here. It's one of those oval paddle brushes, and I ended up using that to be able to sweep it and then press it into the face, because as I shared with you, when I did it with a beauty blender, it was too much of a serum type that it literally sucked all of the product in it. Plus the sponge that I used was the one that was from a Luxie kit that ended up being more like a silicone sponge, and it was just spreading the product around. It wasn't doing it any justice. But when I tried it with a beauty blender, it performed a lot better. But the best way that I found that this performed for me was with that paddle brush, and then I put on my IT Cosmetics foundation powder over it, and it stayed intact all day. It didn't break down anywhere. It really, really was beautiful. So by doing that, I'm getting the fantastic ingredients that are in this serum on my face, but I definitely felt it worked better with my foundation powder over it as opposed to a loose powder that I used when I first tried this out. So to me, if you get this, try every which way to make it to work with you, because the finish on this was beautiful. The ingredients in this product are really, really pretty. And I want to make sure that everyone gets to try and enjoy the products, as opposed to saying this didn't work for me. You always can change your primers. You can always change your powders. There's so many different ways, with brushes, be it if it's a kabuki brush or a oval brush. That's what worked for me, was the oval brush with a good foundation powder over it. And the one that I ended up using was IT Cosmetics, because I have so much IT Cosmetics in my stash. So that is what this one is here. The next one in here, I'm not sure if this is one that I've gotten in the past, so I'm going to show it to you this way, but I'm not going to open this up. It is an Iconic London. It is a triple threat mascara. I have so many mascaras that are already opened, but I'm gonna check my stash, because I do have a whole stash of mascaras that I have opened, so that I can usually sit here and share it with you, because like I said, normally I try to put on some of the products prior to filming if they come early enough, but today was just one of those days that I couldn't do it. So excited to get a mascara from a brand that I really enjoy, and like I said, I'll check my stash. If not, this will go in the gifts for later. This one is going to go into the gifts for later, because I did recognize the packaging on this, and this is from my stash. So inside here are the exact same two colors that are in here. One is called, I think, Spray Tan, and the other one is called SOS, and that is exactly what is on this package. So this I can show you. So this one here, what I love about it is they have the colors right on the edge here. So when these are put into the cylinder that I showed you, my organizer, if you haven't watched my Temu, the product that I got on there was one that I purchased years ago on Amazon, and it is what I use to store a lot of my lip liners and eyeliners and things like that, so that they're sticking out like this, so I'm able to very quickly see if it's a product that I already have, and that's how I knew about this. These are beautiful. This brand called Queen is one that I'm really impressed with. This is the one that is called Spray Tan, and then we got another one that is in a gorgeous red, and it is, these are so well put in, and this is what the red one looks like here. They are beautiful. So really, really excited that I will have it to be able to go into my gifts for later, because I already have them in my stash. And then the last item in here was one that we got in the PR package, as well as in my other base box that I pay for, and now in this one as well. So this one also will be going into the gifts for later. This is that Beauty Bakery Proof is in the Pudding. This is the one here. I'm going to open this up to show you, but I've already swatched this in all the other videos from my stash one. So I was able to put 2 of these into my giveaway area now. Actually, I think there's going to be 3, because the one that I originally got was from FabFitFun, and I got that a couple of years ago. So this is how beautiful this looks. I always like to open up, if I can, the eyeshadow palettes to make sure that nothing's damaged, and then I put it into my gifts for later. So if you're looking for swatches on this, I've already have this swatched in the PR, and I have wearing it in that one, as well as my other base box, and I will definitely leave those 2 linked down below. And that's everything I got in my second base box. So definitely everything in here is something that I will use. Like I said, I'm really enjoying this. I now know how to use this product, so I have a backup of it. This mascara, I'm gonna check my stash. This I already know I'm enjoying, and this product I'm also already enjoying. So if this is your box or your variation that you're getting, I think you would be really, really happy with this one. So that is my second paid for base box for the month of February. So we have all of my boxes from Boxycharm as well as Ipsy already up on the channel. So if you're looking for any of my videos, you simply go to the picture of me that says True Once right underneath this video. Another screen will come up when you click on my picture, and in there you will see videos. And if you're looking for something in particular, you go to the search bar. If not, you simply go to Play All, and you'll be up to date on everything that I have filmed so far this month. All right, take care everybody, continue to stay safe and well, and I'll see you all soon again in my next video. Bye for now.